video, we'll be going over how to add ingredients and nutrition facts to a meal. So I created this basic meal called the grilled chicken platter, and I've given it a price and a category, so now we're ready to move on with our ingredients. On our ingredients tab, the first thing you'll notice at the top is we can set serving sizes. This is useful if you're offering packages of something. Maybe it's a package of low-carb muffins, and there are 4 muffins in it. You can set 4 servings per container. In most cases, if it's just an individual meal, you could set this as 1 serving. You just leave it where it is. So I'm going to scroll down, and we could do this together in real time. Firstly, we could type our ingredients in plain English. So let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I've typed in my 8 ounces of grilled chicken. And I'm starting with only this because this is going to be a base meal, and then the customer is going to choose their side options to add on to it. So all I'll do from here is click add, and the system will automatically scan the Nutritionix API and pull this ingredient in for us. You can see it automatically generated this label for us, and we could even update this in real time or change the unit of measurement if we wanted to. If you feel that the results that are displayed aren't quite accurate, you could always come to the search tab to search the database for another version of grilled chicken or maybe a specific brand that you use. You could also come to the add custom tab. So if you have a label in front of you and you know the exact nutritional values, you could edit custom. You could visit the add existing once you've added custom ingredients, so you could reuse that on a future meal. You could also add ingredient mixes. In a separate video, I'll be going over how to create an ingredient mix. For now, all you really need to know is this is a grouping of ingredients. For example, maybe we have a secret sauce that we use on all of our proteins, and it's made up of mayo and ketchup and relish. Instead of us having to enter each of those ingredients every time, we can create an ingredient mix one time and then apply that to future meals. And of course, if you already have all the nutritional values, you could go ahead and just type those in directly and override our settings. So for now, I'm happy with this 8 ounces of grilled chicken, and I'm going to move on to my variations tab. So I see I have 2 sizes here. I have an individual size and a family size. So for my family size, I'm going to go to adjust ingredients. And for this, I'll make this 16 ounces of grilled chicken. And we'll add that. So now if the customer selects the individual size, which is the base size, they'll get 8 ounces of grilled chicken. And if they choose the family size, they'll get the 16 ounces of nutrition, and you can see that reflected properly. Next, we'll move over to components. And I set up a choose your side option, and it's a minimum and maximum of 1. Maybe I'll change this to 2. Now below are each of the choices my customer has for our individual, and I made the same choices for the family size. And we could just come one at a time. So for broccoli, if they select this option, we'll adjust ingredients and we'll say that they're going to get 5 ounces of broccoli. Then we would continue that for all of our side options. And finally, we'll move on to our add-ons. These are our one-off charges, such as extra protein. So if somebody selects extra protein for the individual size, we'll go ahead and we'll add another 4 ounces of grilled chicken. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and click OK. And now let's go check out our menu and see how this looks. Okay, so I can see my grilled chicken platter here on my menu, and I'll go ahead and click on it. And I'll switch over to our nutritional window. And we can see as I switch between individual and family size, our nutrition facts will change. As I add on my side options, the nutrition facts will also update. And if I was to add on that extra protein, it will also update. So now this is an accurate label for your customer to see in real time, and of course for you to print out onto your item labels.